And as masking and distancing guidelines have been relaxed in Fresno County, a recent rise in COVID positivity rates and cases of the Delta variant have local health officials concerned. Our Shauna Kalafi is live at the Fresno County Health Department with more on what they're dealing with. Shauna.
Yes, Stephanie, like you said, that positivity rate is increasing here in Fresno County. Right now it's at about 3.4%. We're also seeing more cases of the Delta variant, and that's why health officials are encouraging people who are not vaccinated to make sure to keep their mask on. And even people who are fully vaccinated, they say you should still wear your mask in public for an added layer of protection. 57 people were hospitalized with COVID in Fresno County as of Thursday. Interim Health Officer Dr. Vora estimates more than 90% of them are unvaccinated or only partially vaccinated. That's up from 42 COVID hospitalizations in just a week.
That's very concerning to us, is that, the more people that are exposed to this Delta variant, the higher the chance that we are going to have that uptick in hospitalizations.
In an update Friday, health officials reported 30 confirmed cases of the Delta variant in Fresno County, although they say the actual number is likely significantly more, possibly 10 times higher. Dr. Vora says that discrepancy comes from low testing numbers, delays in results, and some samples not being eligible for variant screening.
Whenever we analyzed this, back when we had 20 cases, we had 4 individuals who were fully vaccinated and 16 that were not vaccinated. So that kind of gives you a sense of, probably about 15 to 20% of individuals that come down with this Delta infection, only 15% will be vaccinated.
When asked if Fresno County could see a masking requirement for vaccinated people like LA County, Dr. Vora said they're still watching the trends and focusing on education.
The state has done some good surveys of this issue. And they've really come to the conclusion, which is, the people that don't want to mask are really not going to mask regardless of whether it's a requirement or a recommendation or whatnot. And the people that are going to mask are really attracted to doing that because they've been educated and because they understand the science behind why that works.
Health officials today also reiterating that while breakthrough cases are possible, on average, people who are fully vaccinated report less severe symptoms of COVID, even with the Delta variant. They're also encouraging parents to get their teens vaccinated as this new school year approaches to avoid outbreaks in the classroom. Live in Fresno, Shauna Kalafi, KC24, local news that matters.
Thank you, Shauna.